Bullish by 2030, people expect STP and costs to fall somewhere between 1.78 and 3.37. Experts in the market think that GMT could reach 1.39 by 2025. Bearish, the market expects the price to be 31 cents in 2023. STPN presentation. As most of us know, this video is about STP and price predictions. If you want to make a good return from a good investment in it, you should watch the basic presentation of this money. Turn the main wheel drive based on the transition to acquire idea is a strong way of life application with social money and play to acquire perspectives. In August 2021, Jerry Huang and Jan Rong, two Australian programmers, helped set up STPN. STPN won the 2021 Solana Start Hacking competition and was given a $5 million grant. From the private value, Sequoia Capital is a giant. The green metaverse token, the Steepen service to token, was made available on Solana and WAC 2022. GMT users can suggest and vote on project changes and depository delivery before making a STP and cost. Even more steep and skilled in critical analysis, let's take a look. STPN means STPN is a Web3 move to get a mobile app that has social and game parts. Find Money for Satoshi Lab, an Australian fintech company, is the group behind STPN. The project works on the Solana blockchain, and its main idea is based on moving around, which is what most people do every day. Steep came in third place and was the first project to coordinate the move to get an idea. The goal of the game part of STPN is to get as many people as possible to live better, fight climate change, and stop driving high-emission cars. The goal of the social money part of STPN is to create a platform that promotes user-created Web3 content. The STPN money and the average costs are supposed to pay for themselves. Financial backers make huge gains on both short-term and long-term properties. You should also figure out what kind of help and resistance levels cause prices to rise so you can plan for its future. The level of resistance can be seen by how often the GMT value changes. Rises and falls during a vertical push. STPN is worth 39 cents USD at the moment. So far, GMT has changed 0.09%, and $40,444,264 have been traded. Steepen is currently the 137th most valuable digital currency, with a market value of $287,864,449 Using the general strength list to move weighted normal Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the chart above, we can figure out how steep prices will change and decide if it will be a good or bad year. Our price predictions are based on constant STPN market data, which is updated live on our website. This lets us make dynamic price predictions based on how the market is moving right now. STPN value forecast. From some points of view, 2023 STPN is one of the most surprising digital currencies to rise this year. The GMT price estimate for 2023 predicts a big rise in the last part of the year, possibly up to 59 cents. As with other digital currencies, the rise will be gradual, but there won't be any big drops. An average price of 55 cents is very high, but it is possible soon if everyone works together. GMT should be worth 47 cents at its base. Steepen worth the price 2024 times out of 2024 STPN due to the possible declarations of several new groups. It's hard to predict how much GMT will cost. However, we think it will soon cost more than 99 cents. Even so, we should wait to see if the GMT's general strength list comes out of the oversold zone before putting down any bullish trades. Bets that take into account how hard it is to predict the market. The base exchange rate for GMT will be 79 cents, and the average exchange rate will be 87 cents. Steepen value expectation for 2025. If the vertical pattern continues until 2025, it could hit 1.39, and GMT might benefit if the market goes down. the goal might not be reached. GMT is expected to be worth an average of 1.27 and a minimum of 1.19 in 2025. STPN value forecast for 2026. If STPN works well to help, based on what we know about the market and what people who like digital money think, the price of the GMT